Here for you how to install the Jupyter Notebook on the MacBooks. So all these steps you will copy paste to the terminal, and then you will run the Jupyter Notebook on your Mac. So just to show you, at the beginning, Control C, and when I open the terminal, just Control V, and normally it should start to install this, but since I have already done it, it says that it is already installed, so no need to continue. And then we come the second step, we put it this one, and step by step we will do everything. So you see it works directly command. And the third one, it's here directly when I write it, it start. So it asks the password of my computer, so I put the password and it starts to install. So I will not continue since I have already done all this stuff before. So let me just terminate. And the last step, just we will write Jupyter. When everything is finished, I will write the last step, which here, let me show you step number 10, Jupyter Notebook. When I write it, it directly starts, okay, on our browser. So for example, just to make a sample, I can do it new. I can create a folder, like I can say the folder name by clicking this and renaming my Python gods, and then I can start writing my command here. First of all, if I say print hi, when I do shift enter, directly, as you see, the output comes out as hi. Or in the second line, if I write print, for example, hello world, and I can even click run here instead of shift enter, so it works. Or something here for a in range, let's say 10, print a. When I run this, you will see that from 0 to 9 it works. I think that's enough how to use the Jupyter Notebook. So when everything is meanwhile, you can save your file and save as, for example, let's say the first code, and then you can use other things, make a copy. It says download as or print preview. Meanwhile, if you want to write some comments, for example, markdown, it says here, let me write it here, markdown with dash hi, it is my first trying on Jupyter Notebook. So when I run it, as you see, it comes out. Here even we can use the dash, hello. Of course we are not going to see anything, this is just explanation, like print my name as ... Okay, so just to explain my name, and when I run it, my name. So this part doesn't come out, just this is explanation. When I want to terminate this, in the terminal screen, if I, for example, command and W, so it will be terminated. As you've seen, a connection to notebook server couldn't be established, so it will not work anymore. Okay, I hope it's clear. So you should follow all the steps. So I'm going to copy paste to the explanation or the comments part in the YouTube section, so easily you can copy paste all this stuff. Okay, have a good day.